Welcome! To sort data in Google Sheets by multiple columns, first select the data that you want to sort. We'll press Ctrl A to select all the data in the sheet, going to the top menu to select Data, Sort Range, Advanced Range Sorting Options. Check the box for data has header row, and then select the column that you want to sort by first. We'll select State. Select whether you want ascending sort or descending sort. We'll keep ascending sort, add another sort column. We'll select city, keep it on ascending, add another sort column, then by revenue. And we'll actually select descending sort. If you want to remove any of these sorts, you can do that by clicking on this trash can icon. But we'll click on sort, and now our data has been sorted first by state, city, and then revenue in descending order. So you can see Birmingham, $18.6 million in descending order for the rest of the departments in Birmingham. If you found this helpful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want to join the Growth Learner community to learn more about analytics and data, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next episode.